about to go on another trip, and I thought I would just show you guys a little bit of what I'm packing. And basically I'm trying to make it to where, I'm trying to take 2 bags this time, because last time I just had like everything in a carry-on. But if I can get like more clothes, more options, because that's just like, why not have more options. Also, I'd like to like bring like my laptop and like all of that stuff this time, so I can also like still do editing and things like that. So I did find these are like little pouches, and you just fill it up with like your favorite product. And so I thought these were cute. If I did want to try to like fit everything into one bag, I could have most of the things that are like in like my full-size bottles, I could just put them in these little pouches. So I thought these were really cute, and they're only like maybe 90 cents or something like that, something crazy, at Walmart. These sanitary wipes, because like, why not? Of course, a razor, which I love that the razor can also go in the carry-on, because yeah, at first I was like, oh, can we have razor blades in our carry-on? And yeah, you're completely fine with that in the carry-on. I put one of my favorite body oils. This thing is so scented. This is the Amber Blends. I made a video about this, but like I had said that like it wasn't ready right away. Like when I bought it, I had to like age it. It's been 6 months. It smells bomb. So yeah, being patient really paid off. Of course, I'm gonna have my Chloroxygen. This is like an internal deodorant for like everywhere, like not only your breath but pits down there, like everything. It's really good. So things like this, make sure like you're putting it in like a little baggie just in case it does leak, because this, you cannot get this stain out if it does leak. So for the baggies, I'm gonna have different baggies of my supplements, of course. So these are all my baggies, and so I'm gonna have one for MSM, of course, one for the ascorbic acid, and yeah, whatever else. Like I think my green juice mixture, because I like to drink those in the mornings with the chlorophyll. So basically I'm just gonna have all of those in little bags, and like if it has a scoop, I'll just like throw the scoop in there too. So I will be ready for that. This is just like a small lotion, another small body lotion thing. Of course, makeup remover wipes, because who does not need these? This is like one of the best toothpastes. Usually like if you get like the full-size tube, like this is just the carry-on safe one, but if you get the full size, like it's usually like $7 or something. But it's worth it. It's worth it. Then we have some Listerine, because you should definitely bring some mouthwash. Another smaller size. This is like a smaller size of like the full size of like one of my favorite perfumes, Good Girl Carolina Herrera. It's definitely getting more popularity now, so like I'm seeing like more YouTube videos about it and stuff like that, but it is like the best perfume ever. A hair clip, because might need one. This is one of the mini flat irons. Oh my gosh, I love this thing. So my first time using it was last time I went out of town, and it's a GVP, and oh my gosh, I just love how small it is. It has a case, but the case is somewhere in this bag. Basically this bag, like I haven't completely like took everything out from like the last trip, just because I knew within the next 1 to 2 weeks that I was going to be just leaving again. So I still have like a lot of stuff from the last one, maybe that like I didn't use, still in here. A hairbrush. Of course, I'm bringing my semi-permanent lotion, because it's something that you need to use every single day. I'm only gonna be gone like 5 days, I think, but you definitely don't want to miss a day. So this being full size, obviously I would have to put this in like the checked bag. If I don't end up bringing a checked bag, then obviously I would just squirt some out into one of these, and there we go. Also, I feel like between this semi-permanent lotion from Xanax.com, between this and like my liquid chlorophyll, like my skin has been really glowy, like even in real life. Like I feel like what I'm seeing on the screen, because like I can see a little bit of myself on this camera screen, that and what I actually look like in real life, like it's actually pretty similar. Like sometimes like I'll film and I'll be like, my skin does not look like that. Like it depends on like the time of day too. So sadly I can't always control what time of day I'm able to film, but yeah, the time of day sometimes like you can see like the true color easier, and then other times I feel like I look all like washed out, and sometimes it'll like make me look lighter than what I am. But I would say this is like a really good representation of like what it actually looks like in person. And yeah, I think the semi-permanent lotion is definitely speeding things along, and so I'm so excited. I'm in the middle of like my second month of this, and so I can't wait until like these next maybe 3 weeks so I can do like the update on it, because yeah, month 2 I think I'm gonna see even more changes. Then of course we have the Gymnema Sylvestra and then the magnesium citrate. So last time I went out of town, I ran out of this magnesium citrate, and I got to see like my skin start to revert as far as like what it was doing for me. So this like it's not necessarily going to lighten your skin, but what it will do is it helps you like to boost your natural production of glutathione. So it is a booster, but also more importantly, it helps with like your oil production, and it'll definitely help with balancing any type of like insulin spikes you might have, which when you have an insulin spike, for some people it'll like throw like, especially if you have acne, it'll throw other things out of control. So as soon as this ran out and I was like out of town last time, like my skin started getting new breakouts. So I learned not to like go out without these. So yeah, I'm just gonna take like the whole bottle, or I don't know, I might put it in like a little baggie or something. But the Gymnema Sylvestra is like really good if you have sugar cravings. If you take 2 of these before all of your meals, you'll notice that you won't want to like snack as much, and you also won't like have like these cravings for sugars and stuff like that. So that's just what it does for me. It doesn't really do anything for your skin, but it can help with that. Then of course we have deodorant. We have a hair serum, which I've talked about this in my other videos. It's really good, by The Main Choice. It's their ancient Egyptian split end treatment serum. So you're supposed to only use this for your ends, but I use it all throughout my hair. I just like the way it makes my hair feel. Then I bought this little travel case of Q-tips because they are helpful. I got a little travel toothbrush, brought a scrunchie, whatnot. And then as far as my hair goes, I'm just going to bring one of those really wide banded headbands, like those like really wide ones, and I will use that to sleep, and then probably like do like a pineapple on top of my head and bring a silk pillowcase, because I'm probably not going to be like fully wrapping my hair every single night. And so this is like a way just to keep whatever style you have in your hair, just to preserve it longer. I think I'm also going to bring some of my like curly hair products, just in case I end up swimming or doing something like that and I need to go curly for the rest of the time. So we will see what happens. As for outfits, so I think I'm just gonna bring a little bit of everything. You know, it's hard to gauge what the person, like who you're going with, like how do they feel like as far as like clothing. Like, you know, some people are more, I guess, liberal with their clothing options, like less is more, and then, you know, other people might be like a little more conservative. So I think I'm just gonna bring most of the stuff I would usually wear in Florida, just like to Dallas as well. And then I'll have like some things where like if I need to cover up more, I'll have the option. So like for example, this top is like really cute. I don't know if I have any clips of me in it, but it goes really good with this like this wrap skirt. Now this wrap skirt doesn't look like much, but on, oh my gosh. So wrap skirts are awesome because basically when you wrap it, like you could have this wrapped around like your midsection, so it like looks like strappy and wrapped, and then the skirt will actually sit lower, and then of course since it's a wrap skirt, you'll have like a really deep slit. So you'll have like the slit up the thigh, and it's really cute, and it flows with you when you're walking, and it's just, wrap skirts are amazing. And then like I just brought something like just like for brunch. This dress is so freaking cute. I love this dress too. But again, most of my clothing is more, you know, clothing that I just wear around in Florida. So like for Dallas, like I don't really know. I'm pretty sure it's like a landlocked area, so there's not going to be like a lot of water. A cute romper. I love this romper, by the way. And then some skirts. I absolutely love skirts. This dress, oh my gosh, this dress is kind of short, but I absolutely love it. I'm bringing it too. And then like I said, I'll bring other clothes or like things that like could go over this. So then like this dress, it's more of a, I would say just a casual dress. It's like a kind of a cloth material, and then it has a little bit of a slit right here, and then the buttons, and it doesn't look like much, but oh my gosh, on it'll hug all of the curves. In fact, it'll accentuate, especially like around your hips. Like this dress definitely, like, it doesn't look like much, but it gets a lot of compliments. A tip with like clothes that are lighter colors or clothes that like are special material, like especially like for like my white dresses, definitely wrap it up into some type of bag, whether it's like a grocery bag or you could put it into like a Ziploc, because sometimes you might have like color transfer during, you know, the trip, and you definitely don't want to like mess up your clothing, or you don't want something to leak out and then get all of your stuff and like ruin your clothing. So some of this stuff, like this dress, it's another one that doesn't look like much. It's a strapless dress, but on, oh my gosh, it looks amazing. It looks really, really, really good. Yeah, you'll definitely get compliments in this. This is like one of those Amazon finds. So let me know if you guys are interested in me perhaps vlogging some of this trip, whether it's day by day update or like every 2 days, just like showing things that we're doing and whatnot. Oh, and then this is like just the makeup bag, and yeah, makeup bag. Oh, there it is. This is the case for the flat iron.